In this video, we are going to discuss the benefits, nutritional value, cooking tips, and risks in oregano. Possible medicinal uses of oregano include treating respiratory tract disorders, gastrointestinal (GI) disorders, menstrual cramps, and urinary tract disorders. Applied topically, it may help treat several skin conditions, such as acne and dandruff. Fast facts on oregano. Here are some key points about oregano. This video looks at 6 evidence-based health benefits of oregano. Oregano is a Mediterranean herb that is used for cooking and medicinal purposes, ranging from treating infections to repelling insects. Active ingredients in oregano could one day help treat osteoporosis, cancer, and diabetes. Use it to flavor sauces, make herby bread rolls, and in marinades for meat. People with an allergy to mint should take care when consuming oregano. 1. Protecting against cancer. Research published in the journal PLOS One in 2013 suggested that oregano exhibits anti-cancer activity. The scientists concluded that Origanum majorana could help prevent and treat breast cancer by slowing or preventing its progression. In 2014, food scientists discovered that the popular culinary herbs oregano, rosemary, and marjoram contain compounds that may have the potential to manage type 2 diabetes in a similar way to some currently prescribed drugs. 2. May help fight bacteria. Oregano oil contains an essential compound called carvacrol, which has antimicrobial properties. The herb has shown antimicrobial activity in some studies. One group of researchers found that Origanum vulgar essential oils were effective against 41 strains of the food pathogen Listeria monocytogenes. Another team from India and the United Kingdom (UK) reported that the essential oil of Himalayan oregano has strong antibacterial properties that may protect against the hospital superbug, MRSA. We have done a few preliminary tests and have found that the essential oil from the oregano kills MRSA at a dilution 1 to 1000. The tests show that the oil kills MRSA both as a liquid and as a vapor, and its antimicrobial activity is not diminished by heating in boiling water. Professor V.Y.V. Salisbury, the University of the West of England, Bristol. The project won an award from the United Nations in 2008. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Scientists from Germany and Switzerland identified an active ingredient in oregano, known as beta-caryophyllene (EBCP), which may help treat disorders such as osteoporosis and arteriosclerosis. EBCP is a dietary cannabinoid. 4. May help reduce viral infection. In addition to fighting off bacteria, some test tube studies have found that oregano and its components may also protect against some viruses. In particular, carvacrol and thymol are 2 compounds in oregano that have been associated with antiviral properties. In one test tube study, carvacrol inactivated norovirus, a viral infection that causes diarrhea, nausea and stomach pain, within 1 hour of treatments. Another test tube study found that thymol and carvacrol inactivated 90% of the herpes simplex virus within just 1 hour. While these results are promising, additional research on how oregano may impact viral infections in humans is needed. 5. Could decrease inflammation. Inflammation is a normal immune response that occurs as a result of illness or injury. However, chronic inflammation is believed to contribute to the development of diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune conditions. Oregano is rich in antioxidants, which can help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation. It also contains compounds like carvacrol that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. In one animal study, carvacrol reduced swelling in the paws of mice by up to 57%. Another animal study showed that a mixture of thyme and oregano essential oils reduced the number of inflammatory markers in mice with colitis or an inflamed colon. Remember that these studies looked at the effects of oregano and its components in highly concentrated amounts. Studies are needed to determine how a normal dose could affect inflammation in humans. 6. Easy to add to your diet. Though you may think of oregano as a topping reserved solely for pizzas and pasta dishes, this versatile herb can be used in many ways. Try mixing whole oregano leaves into other greens for a nutrient-packed salad, or sprinkling the leaves into chili, soups or stews. You can also use it to make fresh pesto or salad dressing, season meat dishes, or kick up the flavor of homemade sauces. Oregano is available fresh, dried, or as an oil, making it super easy to add to your diet. If you learned something today, give the video a like and share it with your friend.